Hello dear friends, welcome to my channels. Today's discussions is integrations, very nice integrations. So how can I solve this problem? 0 to pi by 2 x square divided by x square ln square into 2 cos x dx, and pi by 8 equals to pi by 8 ln 2 pi minus gamma plus 1. So friends, this problem can be solved into two way. I will solve this problem into two way. Okay, because this problem is very interesting problem. So so friends, we should know this is the first method. Okay, first method. Two method, I will publish this problem into two method. So integration 0 to pi by 2 x square divided by l square to 2 cos x. So friends, must remember that you know this formula, that nk I nk means combination form, that this is means n factorials divided by k factorials and n minus k factorials. One by 2 pi I mod of z equals to r 1 plus z whole to the power n, z to the power n plus 1 dz. And alpha comma beta belongs to capital R, and let is the p I can write, then let p equals to 1, and dz z equals to e to the power I u, then dz equals to I into e to the power I u du. So friends, n comma k can be written as alpha and beta equals to 1 by 2 pi minus pi 2 pi 1 plus e to the power I u alpha into e to the power I u beta. This is called du. Now ln 1 plus e to the power 2ix can be written as ln 1 plus cos 2x plus I sin so ln cos 2x whole square plus sin square 2x, this is the modulus property ln plus I tan sine 2x. So 1 plus cos 2x whole square and sine square 2x equal to 2 cos x ln. Okay, sine square x is equal to, you can write 2 plus 2 cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x, and 2 cos 2x is equal to, it can be written as 2 into 1 plus cos 2x, and 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 into 2 sine square x. That means 4 sine square x. 4 sine square x means 2 sine x. So ln 2, so it's not sine x, cos x. ln 2 cos x. Because 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x. So it is 4 cos square x. So it is 2 cos x. ln 2 cos x, and plus I arc arc tan tan x. Okay, so angle, one is angle e to the power I theta forms. So it can be written ln 2 cos x plus ix. I hope it is clear. So x square divided by can be written real number. Okay, real number 1 by 8 minus pi to pi ix divided by ln 1 plus e to the power ix. So friends, I have written wrong. It is x square divided by x square plus ln square 2 cos x can be written as imaginary. Okay, imaginary minus x divided by ln into 1 plus and I let I will take this integration. I take this integration as omega. Okay friends, so it is omega. So I can write omega equals to 0 to pi by 2 x square divided by x square plus ln square 2 cos a dx. So friends, it can be written as 0 to imaginary 0 to pi by 2 x divided by ln 1 plus e to the power 2ix dx. Let 2x tends to x, so it can be written as minus 1 by 4 0 to imaginary 0 to pi x into ln 1 plus e to the power 2ix dx. So and it can be written this way, that minus 1 by 8 imaginary 0 to minus pi to pi x divided by ln 1 plus e to the power 2 ix dx. So e to the power 2 ix can be dx can be written as e to the power ix. So this way I can write, and it can be written as 1 by 8 real minus pi to pi ix divided by ln 1 plus e to the power ix dx. So friends, this is the equation number. I can write this equation is, this is the equation number 1. And again, that alpha beta can be written. So friends, alpha beta means by permutation alpha beta, beta equals to 1 by 2 pi minus pi to pi minus pi to pi 1 plus 1 plus, you will see that I have find out the values of the omega. So it is the alpha beta value is 1 plus e to the power I alpha. So iu e to the power iu to the power alpha divided by e to the power iu beta du. Now friends, derive this portion with respect to del by del b del beta, and where beta equals to 1, derivatives, simple derivatives. So whatever I get, if I derivative this factorial with respect to beta, then we get alpha digamma alpha and minus digamma beta plus 1, means it is the value is 2. Okay, this value is 2 equals to, so in here both side I have to have to use derivative. Okay, so both side beta equals to 1, so equals to I get minus 1 by 2 pi integration minus pi 2 pi I u 1 plus e to the power I u alpha and e to the power I u. So it is as beta equal to 1, so it is du. This is my values. Okay, my next step I just using integration in both side 0 to 1. Okay, so integrated 0 to 1 alpha digamma alpha into d alpha minus 0 to 1 digamma 2 into d alpha. Similarly, here I also used integration 1 minus 1 by 2 pi and iu minus pi to pi iu e to the power iu du integration 0 to 1 1 plus e to the power I alpha iu, sorry, it is iu to the power alpha into d alpha. Okay, so this integrations is equals to can be written as minus 1 by 2 pi minus pi to pi minus pi to pi iu divided by e to the power iu du, and in here this is the formula is a to the power x dx. This formula is log will come, so 1 plus e to the power I alpha divided by log 1 plus e to the power I alpha. Okay friends, I hope it is clear. It is clear. So it is 0 to 1 d alpha. So d alpha will be removed because I just use the differentiation. So I get this value integration. I get this value 1 by 2 pi minus pi and pi iu divided by ln 1 plus e to the power I, in here it is u also, e to the power I u and d u. This value is equals to my omega value. Okay, and this value where the digamma and differentiating and integrations these portions, whatever I get alpha ln gamma alpha ln gamma alpha minus digamma 2 alpha square digamma 2 alpha square by 2 into 0 to 1 this integral portions. You see I am just doing these integrations. Okay, and another factor you get in here, what you get minus digamma 2 Okay, digamma alpha square by 2. Okay, digamma 2, not there is no digamma 2. This value is equals to, I get this value is equals to, I get this value means 1 by 2 pi in here is coming. So this value is, if I multiply with 2 pi, so this value is equal to, okay, wait, and this value, if I putting the values, so whatever I get minus pi to pi. Okay, iu is converted into ix is equal to ln I x dx is equal to, what we get this value, that ix is equal to into this value is equal to real part of this value, real part of this value is equal to omega. Okay, real part of this value is equal to, so we get this value. So omega is equal to omega real part. So in here you get all part is real. So omega is equal to, omega is equal to everything. So we get this portion is equal to 2 pi ln 2 pi ln 2 pi is equal to means digamma digamma minus 2 1 is equal to ln 2 pi. Okay, ln 2 pi divided by 2, and digamma 2 is equal to 1 minus gamma. So putting the all value, we get pi by 8 ln 2 pi minus gamma plus 1. Okay, this way we can get another way, second way, alternative method. Okay, alternative method is very easy, because you know, or you have already know, that this integration value is the ix divided by ln e to the power ix. This value we have already known. So this I apply this process and different method. You will learn this technique, because this technique is very interesting. So my, what is my omega value? I get omega is equal to, I get omega is equal to, okay, no problem, I will method. So how can I solve? Because we know that 0 to pi by 2 x square divided by x square plus ln square cos x. Okay, 2 cos x dx equals to, just changing x is equal to y by 2. This formula if I apply, so I get 0 to pi y square divided by y square plus 4 ln square 2 cos x, okay, into dy. Okay, so in here I get also half will be multiplied. So this portion can be written, we know what we know that this portion can be written this way, ln this value, this way I can write. So I can write this value is equal to minus 1 by 8 r into minus pi to pi, okay, ix divided by ln 1 plus e to the power ix. Now friends, you have to remember that z divided by ln 1 plus z can be written 0 to 0 to 1, 0 to 1 and z plus 1 whole to the power t dt, okay, z plus 1 z plus 1 whole to the power t dt. This way it can be written. Okay, so in here it can be written as 0 to 1 0 to 1 and summation m equals to 0 to infinity, m equals to 0 to infinity z to the power m divided by m factorial gamma t minus m plus 1 and gamma t plus 1 dt into dt. It can be written this way. Okay, so this value will can this value can be written, okay, gamma t plus 1 divided by gamma t minus m plus 1. Okay, this can be written summation s equals to 0 to infinity s equals to 0 to infinity z s1 s1 m comma s t to the power s. It can be written, so z by log z by log. So friends, these solutions can be written this way, that ix divided by log this way. Okay, so you can apply this problem, that it is the series formula. I will also discuss, but I can solve this equation in this way, that 1 by, okay, 1 by 8 1 by 8 minus pi to pi, okay, minus pi to pi dds dd dds of e to the power I y plus 1 whole to the power t, okay, whole to the power, it is s, okay, e to the power I y, okay, divided by divided by e to the power I y s into s equals to 1 into ds. No, into you can we can write it is y. Okay, because friends, you have to remember that the differentiation ddx of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x divided by log a. Okay, so it is s, not t. So when I did when I divide log a to the power x ddx of a to the power x divided by log a. No, sorry, it is log a. Log a is multiply. Okay, so it is t, not a. It is t, and it is y by e to the power y is s equals to 1. And now friends, you have to use this equation. What I want to say, that z plus 1 t divided by z to the power s plus 1 equals to summation m equals to 0 to infinity gamma t plus 1 divided by gamma m plus 1 gamma t minus m plus 1 into z to the power m minus s plus 1. Okay, so this formula I apply. So this is equals to, I can write fs comma t, fs comma t. So del f by del t, my equation is, sorry, it is not dds, it is del f by del t. Okay, not dds, it is del f by del t. Okay, this is my del f by del t. So my del f by del t, no, sorry, it is not del f by del t, it is del f by del s, del f by del s. No, sorry, it is confused I am actually. Yeah, it is del f by del s, because this is the derivative ys e to the power ys. When I derivative, yeah, I get log term. So friends, whatever I get del f by fst. I get, this is the by fst. So del f by del t. What is the del f by del t? Del f by del t is equal to minus pi by 2 di gamma t plus t minus s plus 1 minus di gamma s plus 1 and gamma t plus 1 divided by gamma gamma okay, fst. So fst is equal to whatever I get, I take fst. So fst value is equal to minus pi by 2 gamma t. So this value is gamma s plus 1 and gamma t minus s plus 1, and this is the total bracket. And if the value is del f by del t, the value is 1 comma t, 1 comma t, this value del f by del t. So I get pi by 2 pi by 2 t into digamma t. Okay, t into digamma t. Okay, and gamma minus 1. Okay, so this value I get. So my omega, you see that my omega, whatever I get this omega value, and this is the 0 to 1. So my omega is equal to half, means pi by 4, 0 to 1 t into gamma dt minus pi by 2 minus plus 0 to 1 minus gamma t into dt. So I get this value pi by 8 1 minus gamma plus ln 2 pi. Friends, this is my value, and you can check this value is also, so this value and this value is also same. Another way I have already put that the first way, you see, this first way I get same value, same method, which I am just changing the method. Okay, I am changing this method and I get same way. And if you convert it into series term, so smt, this way you can just convert series term. So how can you change this series? You can just you can convert into Bernoulli number. You can convert it into Bernoulli number. This is the z gamma t plus minus sn, this way. And so ln z into, when you see that this portion can be written as, so I have already told that this is the 0 to 1. So you can write 0 to 1 1 1. Okay, 0 to z divided by 1 plus z. Okay, 1 plus z, you can write 1 by m factorial okay, you can write this way, that this value is this way. You can write that summation m equals to 0 to infinity and z to the power m divided by factorial summation n equals to 0 to infinity s1 m comma s divided by s plus 1. So this way you can write. Thanks for watching. I hope that I can clear this total concept. This is a very important, because you have learned a lot of way. Thanks for watching.